Yo, welcome back. You see I changed my YouTube name again. Now it's Richetty Raps. This is going on my YouTube and my SoundCloud. I'll drop my SoundCloud in the description below. But this is Never Fold. Shit, check it. Look, I call you line the other day and I know you ain't picking up. I know you also fucking another dude, man. This is kinda fucked up, cause I fell in love with the girl who took my heart, and now she's running with my passions like she's running from the start. I mean, she came through like an open door, but now I opened up her legs like an open whore. And now you laughing at the fact that I can't open yours, cause another dude's doing it for me, man. I'm open doors. And now he kissing on your lips, shit. Hope he likes my kiss, cause you know what, he was looking funny that you sucking on my dick like Tuesday. And now it's kinda Saturday, no Friday. But you know what, I'm laughing after today, cause after I write these songs, I know it's for you. Cause you know what, you're not the one who's sitting with me in the booth. You're laughing at the fact the music I pursue is kinda funny that I'm about to make it before you. You saying that you've been rapping all along, but you know what, you never actually jump up on a song. And now I'm spitting bars like, where do I belong? Cause you know what, I'm in my room like I'm sitting all alone. No, all along it's just my music. It's me, myself, and I, but you know what, I gotta mute it. Cause every other rapper, man, they just want to pursue it. But I'm spitting from my head like shit, I never lose it. I never lost, I keep my wins. I keep my heart like God's sin. I'm jumping on these tracks, you call me Hobson, but never diss the beat, cause you know what, I'm jumping in. I mean, I'm going hard. I mean, I'm army in the flank. I come in with 2 guns on my shoulders and that army in the flank. I mean, I'm army like a tank, but I can never feel older. My heart is crumbling, it feels like a boulder. I mean, it's crashing down, it's beating everything inside. I mean, I'm filled up with depression like I'm never filled up with pride. I mean, the anxiety hurts me, but you know what, it's kinda lies. But these people wanna rap, but you can never see the size. But now they spitting about their life, and they never lose it. These other rappers, they just mumbling, never used it. They got the talent, but they never wanna pursue it, cause they fucking up on Xanax and Parker's first, cause it's loser. They smoking too much weed, they drinking too much alcohol. They stumbling over, man, I'ma laugh at you if you about to fall. But now you pop some Persex, you doing Molly. You wanna jump up on the party, getting hollied. But no, I wanna jump up in the hills where I've been rapping about my life like I can never cheap up thrills. Cause all these rappers wanna talk some money, never pay their bills. But I'm gone, but peace out, see you all, for real. That was that new Never Fold challenge. Hope y'all like that. Peace.